Hi everyone, it's Anna Brandt, and I said I wasn't going to do another video, but I am doing one because we have BBB this weekend. If you don't know what BBB is, it's bellybabyandbeyond.net. It's our third and final two-day event in New York City, and Geddes is kicking off our keynote speaker. We are catching a plane in a few hours, and we're super thrilled, super excited. Did you know it's free to shop? If you didn't register as a student, you actually could still register. You could register for both days, or you could even sign up for a one-day pass. Did you know that? And you can shop for free. You don't even really need to register. We like it because we then can communicate with you. But if not, you can still come and shop. You can see the hours are Friday for the public 1 to 5, Saturday 9 to 5. We are at the Brooklyn Marriott in New York City. Amazing vendors. Come, give me a hug, shop. If you're a student, I will be doing lots of hugging this weekend. We're flying with my entire family this weekend to our third and final event. I'm so excited for the speakers. They're coming in from so many different countries. We have students coming in from 10 different countries this weekend to celebrate my members. My members rock. I had to do one more email. We relaunched our membership site. We've had a membership site for 10 years. We had to move again. We moved to members.annabrandt.com. Hundreds of photographers followed me over and trusted me, and I cannot tell you how grateful I am. I've been reading your messages, so much so that I even saved some of them to say thank you for thanking me. Just the fact that some of these people took time out in our members forum to say thank you to me meant just the world to me. People around the world saying thanks for the $99 lifetime. It's not a gimmick. It's not a deal. It's our membership site, and when you do the $99, you never need to pay another fee again. And we added so much content, and we're adding even more. I'm just getting ready to send out my newsletter, and in my newsletter, I was telling you that we're going to extend it through Sunday night one more time since we have BBB this weekend. So if you didn't get the newsletter, you see the video right here. In addition, this gorgeous baby, her session was amazing. It was actually a solo baby session, and then at the very last second, I threw the parents in. I asked my videographer to give me the raw footage for this entire session from start to finish. We're going to be putting it in the members site this weekend. In addition, for celebrating Belly Baby Wear, I do have a booth. We did pack tons of gowns that are going to be at our booth. So if you want to grab a gown without shipping, you can come into the event in New York City, grab a gown. Including this popular buttercream gown that she's wearing. If you can't make it and you're dying, we had free shipping earlier for our members. I decided to make it worldwide for everybody. Free shipping through Sunday night, 7/21, okay? And if you didn't have a chance to get it, now is the time to get it. If you didn't have a chance to come to BBB, now's the time to do it. If you missed out on the membership and you're wondering, should I do it? Yes, you should, because we have a fantastic members area. 12 tutorial videos alone were added. You can come in here. You can see some of the downloads that we've added. You can see some of the guides that we have. All of these live workshops are free. We have a members forum. We have private members only podcasts that are here that I did just for members only. And we're adding more and more content, including starting with that session from start to finish. So if you haven't done it, I'm telling you, you have to do it, because once BBB is over, we're not going to do this again. We'll probably put memberships on sale, but we won't ever do it at $99 again. That's just an intro to say thanks for trusting me, thanks for following me. I'm doing everything I can to just try to empower and lift us all up to a higher standard and just do the best that we can. I'm Anna Brandt. If I see you at Belly, Baby, and Beyond, I will give you a hug. I might be a little bit stressed, but I'm going to try to keep smiling. And thank you so much for being a part of this event. And if you can't make it, you can shop for free this weekend, and you can join us in the members area, and I will see you over there. Just a reminder, the members area is members.annabrandt.com. If you want to sign up, you can just go to memberships. And if you click buy now, before you do that, if you go to start here, it will tell you to use the code JOIN, okay? Then when you go over to memberships and you hit buy now, please look for the coupon code. A lot of people say there is no coupon code. There is. Right here where it says have a coupon code, you put in JOIN, you hit update, and it will take off the $300 and do the $99. And we'll see you online. This is Anna Brandt. Have a great weekend, everybody, and thank you.